Hey guys, in this video we're going to be starting to sign up with Wix and I'm going to show you the procedure of how to do that. As you can see, I'm on the Wix website. Now I'll post the link down below so that you can be at the exact same screen as me. And what we're going to do is we're going to do get started. So that's this one in the middle here. Now with this screen we're going to go, this is asking us to log in, but we don't have a login yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go sign up, which is this one right here. Now with the sign up, they're wanting you to go email, password, and then sign up. Now, like I explained before in the other videos, why would you want to sign up with an email and a password when you can just click on Google and Facebook, which is over here? Now, why we don't do that is, remember that we're trying to keep it nice and secure. This is your business. This is where people come to put their credit card and buy things and stuff like that. Facebook and Google sometimes get hacked. Means that if you had Wix linked to those, they would be able to get into your website's business as well. So to your business, pretty much. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to start with an email address. We type that email address again. And we're going to do a password. Now remember, this one has to be, you have a capital letter in it and a number somewhere along the lines. So let me just try that again. Awesome. So once you've done that, just click on the sign up button, which is down the bottom here. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to, tell Wix a little bit about what your website is. So at the moment you could be an online store, you could be a designer, whatever you're going to do, you can either be one or two of these. So you can either be an online store or a business. You can be both. We're going to click online store just because this is what gives us templates of how your website's going to be. Now, we're not going to use the templates. We're actually going to build it from a blank page. So it doesn't matter which one you click on here. If you don't want to build it from a blank page, then click on the one that best represents you. In this course, we're going to be building from a blank page from scratch up, basically from the bottom up. So basically you get two choices here. So on the left-hand side here, you get let Wix create it for you. So this is basically, they think what you need for your business and to have it as a website, and they add it. Now, it's not necessarily what we're going to use. So we're going to go for the right-hand side, which is over this way, and we're going to create it with the Wix editor. So click on the choose a template down the bottom. So from here, you can pick a template if you want to, but like I said earlier, we're actually going to build it from scratch. So that means you know how to work Wix, and if you ever need to change anything, you know how to work it as well. So over here on the left-hand side, we're going to be looking at blank templates, and we click on that. It changes to a bunch of blank templates. Now from here, we're just going to go start from scratch, and we're going to go edit. So it's this first one here, and the price is free, so that's always a good thing. Let's load that up. Now, what's going to happen on here is basically we'll pause that. It's going to give you a welcome Wix video. Now, it's great to have a look at this, so I would give you a chance to pause the video right now, watch their video, and then come on back. Great, welcome back. Obviously, you've watched the video, and it gives you a bit of the fundamentals around what Wix is and how to use it. Now, basically, that's it for this video. Where the next video that comes up, we're going to talk about the menus and get more into Wix as we go along. So we'll see you then.